Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th. NCERT chapter 5th Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Chapter 5th Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. So in the Euclid's Geometry there is a history of mathematics and geometry is given in the first and second page. So you will read it. In the chapter we will study the relation of geometry in the daily life. Not only in the mathematics, in other all the places we can use in the form of different. So Euclid has given definition, axioms and postulate. Some proven statements are here. So definitions are some definitions in the previously it was given. A point is that which is no part. A line is breathless length. The end of lines are point. A straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. So that's why it was given, but not clear. So a surface is that which is a length and breadth only. But what type of plane is this? The edge of the surface are lines like this. If any surface is like this, then there are the lines which are the edges. Point, you know, this is the dot, there is no length and breadth. And a line is a breathless length. That is a line which has no breadth, but there is a length. The end of lines are points which is ended. Suppose here it is a A and B, then there will be a point A and point B is the end. And like this, a straight line is a line which has lines evenly with the points. Means it is a line which has a lot of points on them. Infinite points are present there. A surface is that which has length and breadth only. The edge of the surface is a line that you have seen. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight line on itself. Means there is a, according to this definition, there are infinite lines like this or like this. So these definitions, some terms are missing. What are these? That's why these are taken as undefined terms. What are these? Point, line, plane are as undefined forms. So Euclid has given, assumed the some properties which were not to be proved. Euclid assumes some properties which were not to be proved. What are these? These assumptions are universal truth. Always it is true for all. And these universal truth divide in two parts. What are these? One is called axiom, another is called postulate. Postulates is used in only geometry, but axioms are used throughout math, not only in geometry. All the places. Axioms are used geometry as well as other all the places, but the postulate only in the geometry. So Euclid has given 7 postulates. What are these? Things, first one is, things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Like any things, if a ball is here, it is equal to another ball, and the another ball it is x and it is y. Another ball is equal to this ball. It is suppose m. M is a ball, x, y. X is equal to m, y is equal to m. Then x and y will be also equal. The things which are equal to the same thing. Same thing means m. Then things are equal to another. There is two things, x and y. X is equal to this and y is equal to this. Then x, y will be equal to each other. Like this, in the length, Amit is have same height like Vicky, and Vicky has Anil has same height as Vicky. Means Amit and Anil have the same height. So like this, height, weight. The weight of potato is equal to the weight of onion, and weight of grapes is equal to weight of onion. It means weight of the potato and the grapes are equal. Same thing means this. Equal are added to the equals, then the wholes are equal. If 1 kg sugar, 500 gram pulse you are adding, 1 kg and 1 kg of potato, you are getting 500 gram of this you are adding. So 100, 1 kg and 500, 1 kg and 5, both the side equal. If 1 kg equal to 1 kg, you are adding equal in the same account, same both the sides, then the result will be also equal. 5 is equal to 5. So 5 plus 2 will be also equal to 5 plus 2. Equals are added to both. So if 5 is equal to 5, then 5 plus 2 will be also equal to 5 plus 2. Same thing for equals are subtracted from equal, then the remainders are equal. It is the third one. Remainder means what is left. When you are subtracting, suppose 100 ml of oil and here 100 ml of milk. In both you are subtracting 20 ml both the side. 20 ml milk you are taking out, 20 ml oil you are taking out. Then what will you get? Remainder will be 80 ml. 80 ml and here also 80 ml. So what are there? You are getting here both have the same remainder. Like this, things which are coincide to one another. Coincide means covering all the round. One copy you are putting on another copy, it means both are equal to one another. Copying, just overlap. Both the side you will see it is one. When you are putting one page on the another page and you are seeing same both the side, no length and breadth is less, so it is called the coincide. Coincide means covering the other. It is called equal to one another. The whole is greater than the parts. These are universal truth. Whole is greater. It is not only in the maths. You can use any place. Whole is greater means from a house there are 5 rooms. So one room you taken, then one room whole is greater than its one room. Or from the whole book you are taking one page, then whole book is greater than one page. So whole is always, from the apple you cut in 5 pieces, then whole apple is greater than its part. Things which are double of the same things are equal to the one another. Double means 5 is equal to 5. So double of 5 to the, and this side also 5 to the. So 10. So like this you can get example. 5 kg sugar, 5 kg rice, 5 to the 10 kg sugar, 10 kg rice. It is also equal. In the things which are half, same things. Things which are half of the same are equal to one another. Means 50 is equal to 50. What will be the half of it? It will be 25 is equal to 25. So, these are postulates, 7 postulates. First, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to another. Equal are added to the equals, then the wholes are equal. Equals are subtracted from the equals, then remainders are equal. Things which are coincide means each other, overlap to each other, then are equal to one another. The whole is greater than its part. Things which are doubles of the same things are equal to one another. Things which are halves means half of the thing. There are 5 postulates. A straight line can be drawn from one point to another point, but like this, one point you are drawing, this another point, but this is true for other also. So for this given 2 distinct point, there is a one and only one straight line. Other lines also there, many lines are there, but one unique line which passes through them. Second postulate is given, a terminated line like this. AB is a terminated line segment, which is called the line segment. Indefinitely, produced indefinitely. It is a part of a line. When you produce, so you can't get there is any stoppage. So indefinitely both the sides. Third is given, circle can be drawn from any center like this. Any place you can put the center, you can big circle. Here also you can put the center, here also you can put the center, any place. Any center, any circle, any radius, concentric circles you can draw. So a circle can be drawn with any center and any. Fourth postulate are all right angles are equal. Here this is a right angle. Measure of all the right angle which are equal 90. The right angle means 90 degree. So all the right angles are equal to one another. It is any place. Here it is corner is 90 degree, or this corner is 90 degree, or this corner is 90. Every corner has a 90 degree. It's measure. And last postulate, fifth, is given. If a straight line falling on the two straight line makes the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side, which side the sum of the angle is less than what? Less than two right angle. It is a postulate number 5 and very important. With the help you can give, like a L and M, I have taken two lines. Four angles you are getting, A and B. Here suppose C and D. Two line and one falling. What is given? A straight line falling on two straight line. N is a straight line falling on L and M. Making the interior angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Four interior angles. So one pair is less than 90, then other pair will be greater than 90. Do you know why? Because of straight angle. So this line meets this side. When you produce, it will be meeting here, but never meet this side. It is another form. It is your fifth postulate till here, but after this you see, never meet. When you produce indefinitely, C and D side like this, you can see here. When you produce, what are you seeing? This is going to increase or not? This is going to increase. So it never meet. Where the angle is less than 90, they will meet that side. If the angle is greater than 90, then they never. Third definition you can get. If the A plus B is equal to 90 degree, if the interior angle of same side of this line is 190 degree, then 180 degree, not 90. Greater than 90, A plus B, less than two right angle, I have written one wrong, two right angle I have written less than 180. So what is given? Straight line if produced indefinitely meet one side when the sum of the two angle is less than two right angle. Two right angle means 290s. Here 290, 180, less than 180, then meet on that side. Greater than 180, never meet. Equal to 180 means never meet both the side. Never meet both side. Never meet both side means M and N will be parallel. If it is given M and L, this line will be parallel if A and B sum will be 180. So it gives never meet both the side when you increase indefinitely. So definition of the parallel line also you can give from the fifth postulate. If a straight line falling on two straight lines makes an interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angle, then the two straight lines if produced indefinitely meet on that side on which the sum of angle is less than two right angle. It is not 90 degree, 180 degree. What is given? 180. Two right angle, one right angle is not. So that's all for today. And you prepare these postulates. Next video we will meet.